Hello. Back with another unboxing, packaging slash review for you. It's an LCD writing board. It's $10.88 on Amazon. From a company called Kimiandy, Kimiandy. I've always wanted one of these, so I bought myself one. You know, so I figured I would share what it's like. Now this one, I specifically got this one because it comes with these magnets, whatever. Because I want it for my fridge because we have a whiteboard on the fridge and it's kind of getting old. So I wanted, something different and something exciting, I guess, right? Here's the two magnets here. They're heart-shaped. They have 3M sticky on the back, so you stick them on the tablet, It does come with an extra stylus, as you can see here, and there's a dock in the tablet, which I'll show you in a second. And a little teeny tiny screwdriver, which I'm guessing is for the batteries, obviously. Back here, 8.5-inch LCD board, 100 to 200 gram pressure output. There's an erase button. Press button to delete the contents of writing. If unable to clear, please replace battery. Battery cover, writing area, 8.5 inches. A lock key back, which is 4, which is over there. I guess I'll see that. Pen, pulling out the pen in the direction of the arrow. Okay, so that's it then. It doesn't really say much on the Amazon site about it, but it is very thin. It's supposed to come with batteries, so there's one there, a 2025. Wow, it's extremely lightweight. Oops. Oh well. And what's this here? Thank you for your support. When clearing the tablet, the power will have a slight screen flicker, which is normal. Okay. So here's the tablet here. And as you can see, it's extremely thin. There's really not much to it at all. I'm not sure if there's a battery in here or not. Let's find out. Extra battery, extra button. Where's power on? Did I miss the power on button? Erase button, button to delete, battery cover. Okay, so here's the stylus. Okay, pull it out. Oh, okay. So there we go. We can write. I guess there's no battery in it. Guess I have to put the battery in. Erase button. Press the button to delete the contents of writing. If unable to clear, please replace the battery button. So they did give me, oh, that says locked. So let's try and unlock it and see what happens. Ah, here we go. So it is an extra battery. That's cool. Hello. I guess I'm kind of impressed. I mean, there's not much to it, really. It's unique. I mean, that's for sure. Supposedly there's a kickstand, but I don't see where there's a kickstand at. It says something about the pen, kickstand, I don't know. Somewhere I saw there. Built-in stylus dock also creates a convenient kickstand message board. Okay, I don't know what that means, but okay. But delete, there we go. And then we can just write, delete. Kimiandy, $10.88. I mean, for my purposes, it's perfectly fine. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks.